Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, in this video I am going to show very beautiful and gorgeous baby frock designing ideas. Viewers, I hope so you like my video. Then you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and then press option on to alert my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. I have uploaded daily many designing ideas about fashion. I have uploaded baby frock design, neckline design, trouser design, western baby frock design, outfits, baby outfits, girls outfits, and men designing ideas, girl shirt designing ideas, girls frock designing ideas. Viewers, you buy these bunches, visit my channel. Viewers, all frock is very beautiful and amazing. All the frock is gorgeous and net frock, baby frock, amazing ideas for you. Viewers, you stitch this frock for your baby, relative, friend, customer. If you are tailor, you stitch this frock your customer. You share this video for your friend, with your friends, with your relatives, with your customer, and stitch this frock for you, for your customers, for your baby. Amazing designing ideas, very amazing. I hope so you like my video. Please like my video and share this video with your friends. Viewers, I upload many designing ideas for you. I upload amazing designing ideas for you. Viewers, you buy these munchies, please visit my channel and watch the video. Thanks for watching my video to end. To all my subscribers who watch my video to end. Viewers, you are very beautiful and amazing subscriber. You subscribe my channel and press bell icon to alert my daily routine videos. Viewers, you press the red button. Okay, Allah hafiz.